Hello everyone, today we will introduce, I don't know how to say because it has multiple functions. You can see it as a bird feeder, but now we see it as a lantern because you see we put an LED candle on the bottom. So we can use it to decorate your home. Let's turn it on. Wow! So amazing! You can hang these inside your home or just outside. Put it to decorate your garden. It is very beautiful. If you don't like this letter, you can also use it like a bird feeder. Put this off and use and let the white bird just let them lay on this. And put the food or drink on here so that it will change to the bird feeder. Yeah.